Hello and welcome to Habanos News. Today I am in Limassol. Tonight is the event taking place at the City of Dreams at the big casino here in Limassol. So I didn't have the time to do the packing, cigar packing video because I left Geneva at 3:30 a.m. So I'm going to show you now what I took for the event to smoke. So the question is, why would you take cigars for an event? I'm taking cigars to share with my friends here, knowing that there are Casa de Habanos, there are a lot of shops, and I do the same in Cuba. And we cigar aficionados, when we go to Cuba, we take cigars with us. I remember a Cuban customs officer looking at me saying, why is this guy is loco, he's crazy, he's bringing cigars to Cuba. The reason why we're bringing cigars is that when you arrive in Cuba, when you arrive in a place like this one, you have no idea what they have. And then we usually smoke special cigars. So if you go to Cuba, you will find usually young, just made cigars, which are good, of course, but when we go there, we tend to bring special, whether it's regional edition, whether it's vintage cigars, whether it is Reserva, Grand Reserva, and this you cannot, or you can hardly find in Cuba. So we bring cigars to these events, and we choose cigars that we're going to try or taste with our friends. For example, when I meet this particular friend, I know he likes this brand, and I'm going, or he doesn't really like this brand. So I'm thinking, oh, I think I should bring this cigar with him because last time we talked about this brand. So this is how it happens. So I'm going to have lunch with my friends from the UK and from the UAE, from mainly Abu Dhabi, and Cigar Senoritas. My friend Walid AJ is going to be there too. So we are going to share some cigars. So let me show you what I took, because I knew I needed a box because we are going to share it. So I took a special box. So this is the Le Fin Lam. As you know, I don't get sponsorship. I only show you what I use when I like it. So it's very useful to have this, especially when you are cutting a box. Here is the first box that I took with me. This is the code. So as you can see from the code, it's before 2000, and it is actually, the box code is TAE April 99, and these are Sancho Panza Sanchos. So they are not made anymore. They've been discontinued. So this is the Intertabac quality control. And here, look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. So I'm gonna put on the screen all the technical information about this cigar. So we're gonna have that probably after the meal, because I know AJ is bringing a cigar that we're gonna share to start the lunch, and another box that I took with me, and that is for the event tonight. And that is this, the Cohiba Robusto Supremos Limited Edition 2014. So this box is going to be 10 years next year. And I think it's time to taste this cigar. So the code is, as you can see, Lube SEP 14. Look at these beauties. So I took this to smoke this evening during the party, and I also took, thank you very much. It's beautiful, thank you. Goes very well with the on the seaside, thank you. I took some sticks. This is the Romeo and Julieta Churchill from a jar. It's the collection vintage. This is the Quai d'Orsay Baalbek regional edition for Lebanon. This is the territory of Phoenicia. This was offered to me by Cigar Senoritas, and I'm going to try my first Juan Lopez Dragones, offered to me yesterday night by Reza. And Reza is the owner of the Cohiba Atmosphere and La Casa del Habano in Antwerpen, which is in the north of Belgium. And I'm going to make a video because he also gave me this box. So I'm gonna make a video because I'm gonna do a tasting of that. And I also took with me the St. Louis Rey Double Coronas. Here it is. And it's a 2001 release, and it's a 2001 cigar, and it was discontinued unfortunately 2013. So this is going to be a great smoke. It's a 23-year-old cigar, and I'm really looking forward to it. I also took with me a Rey del Mundo Lonsdales from the 90s. This brand was this cigar was discontinued in 2002. So look at this beauty. The taste of this is magical. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna hopefully post a few videos when I am here. I'm gonna make a video tonight during the event, and I hope to see you soon, and goodbye.